Hola, 皆さん。いらっしゃいませ。今は3番セグメントが日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さんありがとうございます。すみません、皆さん。今は英語を話します。はい、皆さんありがとうございます。Welcome everybody. For a very short round of studies today, I'm just only going to work on casual form verbs because I'm going to be practicing the sentences that I was working on for the past couple of weeks, for the past couple of months actually. So for the past couple of months, I was doing some sentence practices, and so I'm going to be practice speaking those, and for the time being, and get used to developing it. And then later down the line, I will return to doing future some more sentences, so that way I can develop my speech and conversational skills. Here we go. So we're in Genki today. Today we are in Genki. We're going to be doing the next 5 verbs. Page 49. Our last word was ageru. Our last word was ageru. So, minasan, 勉強しましょう。Alright. So our first verb today is kureru, to give. Okay. Kureru. Well, kureru. To give. Kureru. Okay. Kurenai. Kureta. And kurenakata. And as usual, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments if I got anything wrong. I am still a student. Dekiru. Dekiru. To come into existence or to be made. Okay. Dekiru. Okay, dekenai. Dekita. Dekinakata. Dekinakata. Okay. Alright, now we're doing irregular verbs. This one is sodan suru. Sodan suru. To consult. Okay. So, 相談する。So, 相談しない。相談しない。相談した。and 相談しなかった。Alright. Next is 注意する to give warning and to watch out. 注意する。注意する。Oops. 注意する。注意する。There we go. Trying to get that kanji out. There we go. Okay. This is to give warning. Watch out. Okay. 注意する。Here we go. 注意しない。注意した。and 注意しなかった。ごめん。注意しなかった。よし。And our final word is プロポーズする to propose marriage. This one is going to be in katakana. プロ Let's see here. プロポーズプロポーズする。To propose marriage. Okay. Propose marriage. All right. It's gonna look a little weird. Poodle pole zoo pose poodle pose する。I guess we'll go with that. はい。プロポーズしない。プロポーズしない。プロポーズした。プロポーズしな kata. There we go. So that's it. Okay. So that's all the verbs that are in page 49. So we'll be moving on next time to page 73 in Genki 2. Here are our verbs for the show. Kureru, to give. Kurenai, kureta, kurenakata. Dekiru, to come into existence, be made. Dekinai, dekita, dekinakata. Soudan suru, to consult. Soudan shinai, soudan shita, soudan shinakata. Jui suru, to give warning or to watch out. Jui shinai, jui shita, jui shinakata. And proposu suru, to propose marriage. Proposu shinai, proposu shita, proposu shinakata. Again, let me know if I got anything wrong, and I will make sure to correct those. So, 皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし。皆さん、いいね。はい。どうぞ、like、subscribe、コメントをください。皆さん、来週までお疲れ様でした。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。